Now I'm going to arrange my leaves here. Now notice I want each quadrant kind of filled with positive, that is the leaf, and negative, that is the white. About even. I had to edit my, or clip off some leaves a little bit more. Then I'm going to flatten this out. It's going to work better to do this on a piece of cardboard, or maybe you could keep this piece of paper in your drawing pad so you could shift it up. And then I'm going to flatten this out, but before I do, I'm going to rip me off some pieces of tape here in advance. And I just happen to have some blue tape, which is fine. It's going to be on the perimeter. Maybe smaller pieces would be easier at the beginning. So take several pieces of tape out before you begin. Got the fan going, so it makes it a little more difficult. Okay. Oops, sorry. Now I'm going to lay this down here and smash this out and make it flat. Now if some of these fold over, that's okay. Or as you're flattening it out, you can make them go flatter, kind of like I am. Okay, so before maybe one of them I'll leave. And some of this I would like to see come off the page. So I'm going to do, with the fan on, this is kind of crazy. Might need some help with this. Okay, so got that piece on. Okay, now I'm going to come over here and maybe, yeah, flatten this out. See, notice how I'm putting it halfway on the plastic. Now I'll fold it over so it goes onto my green cutting board here. See how it's holding that down now. Doesn't have to hold it down perfectly, but mostly is what we want. I'm going to lift this again and kind of stretch this out so it's holding my leaves flatter. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now before I do this, I want to pull, I can see I want some more space utilized right there. So I'll pull this out like this. And I'll tuck this under here. Plastic. Take your time. You may have to do this a couple times to figure out how to do it. A piece of cardboard on the back here, or if you have your cutting tray, if you bought that, that will help also. So you can see how I'm doing this. So I'm just going to finish this off. I'll turn off the video now.